Hello, my diamonds. It is me, the Diamond Panda. And last time I played this, I did not have a concert hall. But because of the fact that I did get a concert hall, I opened it and I gave myself a song. I decided, hey, why not go and make a song to show my subscribers, or my diamonds, as I like to call y'all. So let's get started. And see the song that I made. I'm using a pencil as a pen. If people don't know, I do not have a pen. So let's get started. What you people are waiting for.
Are you ready to see who I am? Yeah, you know that I am Philip. All the friends I know. That's eating only the best. Let's go make only the best. We must be the best.
So hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful day.